Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how can you fill up the tax on 𝗦𝗲𝗹𝗹 form. So it's too much easy and simple to fill up on that tax form. So without filling that form, you cannot earn or you cannot withdraw your amount. So that's why you have to fill this form. So if you want to also fill this tax form, then I'm going to show you all the details. So without any delay, let's begin. Okay guys, so first of all you have to come in your Adobe Stock account, and after that just you have to click in the contributor accounts. Then after that just you have to click in the tax information. So now you can see in this side there are a few options available, and just you have to click in the tax information. And after that now you can see here you will get this type of option, and there is only one option available, that is tax information. So after that just you have to click in the 8 tax information. Now you have to come down and you have to click in the continue. So there are 2 options available, an individual and or LLC or a partnership or a corporation. If you are running a business or a corporation, then in that case you have to choose this second option, but for the individual just you have to choose the first option. Okay, so in this time I am individual, so that's why I am choosing the first option, and just you have to click in the continue. So now we can see there are 3 options available. The first option is you are a US citizen. So for the US citizen you have to fill up the 𝗦𝗲𝗹𝗹 tax form. And if you want to if you are a resident of a country that has a tax treaty with the USA, in that case you have to fill up this form. Okay, but if you don't have any tax treaty, you are not a resident of a country that has a tax treaty with the USA, you have to fill this form. Okay, so I am just clicking this one because my country don't have any tax treaty with the USA, so that's why. So I'm clicking in the complete 𝗦𝗲𝗹𝗹. So I'm just clicking here. Then after that, so now we can see here my another page is opening. Okay guys, so now we can see here you will get this option. Okay, then after that you have to fill your all the details here. Okay, so first of all you have to put your name. So I'm just putting my name here. And after that you have to choose your country, so I'm choosing this one. And after that you have to choose your permanent resident address. Okay, so I think okay, then after that just you have to choose the city here, and you have to choose the country. So I am choosing my country here. Then after that again you have to choose your country. Okay, and then after that you have to choose your city and town here, or you have to choose your state. So I am just choosing my state here. And then after that you have to put US taxpayer identification number, SSN or TIN if required, but I don't have the SSN or ID number, so that's why I'm not using this one. And if you have foreign tax identifying number, you have to fill up here, but in this time I don't have. And the FT number also I don't have, and the reference number also I don't have. Date of birth, so you have to fill up your date of birth here. Okay, so I'm going to fill up here. Okay, so after that just you have to come here. So now we can see there are in the part 2 it is telling the claim of a tax treaty benefits for chapter 3 purpose only, see instruction. It is telling like that, with the meaning of the income tax treaty between the United States and that country. Is telling like that. Okay, special rates and conditions, the beneficial owner planning of article and paragraph. Okay, so you don't have to fill any of them here. And explain eligible for the rate of withholding. Okay, so here it is telling that explain the additional condition in the article and paragraph that benefits owner meets to be eligible rate of withholding. Okay, so I am just choosing the $25. Okay, so in the part 3, so now we can say this is certification. So here is the terms and conditions available, and after that just you have to click check all the terms and conditions here, and I'm accepting all the agreements. Then after that you have to sign here. Okay, so I'm just giving my name here and I'm just clicking in the apply. Okay, and you have to choose a date, and just you have to print name of signer. So I'm just giving my name here. Okay, then after that, so now we can see here my form is completed and it is telling that the form is saved here. Okay, after that I'm just clicking the click to sign. Okay, so now you can see here it is telling that you are all set. Okay, so you have finished signing it right. It is telling like that. So it is very we will mail the final agreement to all the parties. You can only download a copy. It's telling that if you want to download your copy, just you have to click here and a copy will be downloaded here. Okay, and I'm just clicking in the sign in. Okay, so in this way you can easily fill up the tax form of Adobe. Okay, so it's too much easy and simple. Okay, so it's very easy. So you can fill up your tax form for the Adobe Stock. Okay, so open that to get few ideas. Thanks so much.